Tired of juggling multiple links across all your social media platforms? Linktree is your one-stop solution to consolidate everything important into a single, easily shareable URL. Let's dive into how you can create and master it. First, head over to Linktree. You'll see a prominent Get Started for Free button. Click on that to begin the sign-up process. You'll need to enter your email address, choose a strong password, and then select a username for your Linktree. This username will become part of your unique Linktree URL. Think of something catchy and relevant to your brand or personal identity. Next, you'll be asked to choose categories that best describe what your Linktree is for. This helps Linktree understand how to tailor your experience. But don't worry too much about getting it perfect right now. Once your account is created, you're taken to your Linktree dashboard. This is where the magic happens. You'll see your unique Linktree URL displayed prominently at the top. To add your first link, simply click the Add Link button. A new field will appear where you can paste the URL you want to share, such as your latest YouTube video, blog post, or online store. For each link, you can also give it a descriptive title. This makes it clear to your audience what they'll find when they click. Let's add a YouTube video and give it a clear title. You can easily toggle links on or off to control what's visible. You can also drag and drop your links to reorder them, placing your most important ones at the top. Now, let's customize the look of your Linktree. Click on the Appearance tab here. You can choose from a range of preset themes or build your own custom look by uploading a profile picture and choosing colors that match your brand. Upload a profile picture to give your Linktree a personal touch. Then, select a color scheme that makes your page pop and is consistent with your online presence. Once you're happy with your setup, simply copy your unique Linktree URL from the top of the dashboard. Now, head to your social media profiles like Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter and paste this Linktree URL into your bio section. And there you have it. Your audience can now access all your important links from one convenient place. This is a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their online presence and drive traffic effectively.